Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short video lecture, I will show you full house planning from start to finish, which I have designed for one of my clients. So let's get started. What's new in this house planning? So if you need house planning, structure design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, so you will get a best house planning from my site on paid services. Guys, you can see this is front elevation of house. Okay, also I did its 3D animation, so I will show you. So guys, you can see this is its ground floor plan, and here the next one you can see this is its first floor plan. Okay, so let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, you can see first of all I will tell you the size of this plot, which is here you can see this is 48 feet by 85 feet. 48 by 85 feet is the plot size. Okay, so this is its lawn. Okay, so first of all guys, you can see this one is car porch. So size of the car porch is 12 feet 3 inch by 13 feet, and you can see these two are square columns, which size is 12 by 12 inches. Size is 12 by 12 inches for columns. Okay, so guys, here at this side you can see this is the sitting deck. Okay, which size is also 12 feet 3 inch by 13 feet and 6 inch. Okay, same. Okay, and from this side these are stairs. Okay, but this is from first floor. Okay, so here these are stairs. This is staircase. You can see guys, this is down, so also we have its basement. Okay, so this is downstairs for basement. Also from this side you can go to the downside for basement. Okay, so here guys you can see this is its veranda. Okay, you can see the veranda size is 7 feet. Okay, width is 7 feet. So here we have two entrance. One is this one, door one. This is also door one. So this is for up. Okay, and this is for down also. Okay, for the basement you can go to the down, and this is for up, right? Same you can see its mirror. Okay, for this same, this one you can see up and down for the basement and also for first floor. So at this side guys, you can see this is study room. Size is 10 feet 8 inch by 15 feet, and this is its window. And also you can see the window size is same. You can see cross ventilation. Also you can see the kitchen. Size of the kitchen is 10 feet 8 inch by 15 feet, and cross ventilation you can see clearly. Guys, you can see from this carport side, you can see these are two steps. So you can come to this veranda by these two steps, using these two steps. Okay, so here glass partitions you can see for this TV lounge, right? So here the glass partition, and size of this TV lounge is 30 feet by 16 feet 9 inches. Okay, also we did its steel structural design, so therefore I will show you also its steel structure design. Okay, so from the kitchen you can see this is the servant, which is 10 feet 7 inch by 10 feet. This is its window. So this is the door 4 from outer to the outer side. This is the store, which size is same. Okay, and outer side you can see this is the window. Also for servant this is the window. Okay, so we have the first bedroom here, and the size of this bedroom is 11 feet 6 inch by 15 feet 2 inch. And here this is its bath. Size of the bath is 9 feet 4 inch by 5 feet 10 inch. This is its ventilation. So this is the window. Next you can see the second bedroom. Size is 11 feet 6 inch by 16 feet 7 inch. Okay, so here you can see guys, this is its dress, and this is the bath. Size is 6 feet by 8 feet, and this is its ventilation also. Okay, also guys, you can see the window to this back side. Okay, so which width is 5 feet. Next you can see the third bedroom. Size of this bedroom is same like this one, and this is its dress, and bath size you can see which is same, because this is the same copy of this one, so we did the mirror. So the other bedroom, you can see the bedroom number 4th, which size is 11 feet 6 inch by 15 feet 2 inch, same like this one. And this is its window, and you can see this is its bath. Okay, the TV lounge you can also see. So guys, you can see this is a luxury house planning for basement. Also from the starting from this lawn side, you can go to the downward to the basement, and also from this stairs hall you can go to the downward side. Okay, for basement you can use. So let me discuss its first floor plan. Guys, you can see this is its first floor. So this is a down from first floor, this is also down from first floor, and this is the terrace which is designed on the top of the car porch and also sitting deck. Okay, so here guys, you can see its design on the first floor. So here when you can go to the downward side for the ground floor. So sliding, you can see this is the first bedroom, and you can find the cross ventilation size of this bedroom, you can see clearly. Next, you can see this is a dress, and this is the bath size of the bath. Everything you can see it is visible. Next one guys, you can see this is the same copy of this one. So this is a bed, cross ventilation you can find. This is dress and this is bath. Okay, next guys, you can see the TV lounge. Size of the TV lounge is 30 by 16 feet 9 inch, and this is store. This is its ventilation store, you can also find on the top here. So we have again 4th bedrooms, which size is this one on the ground floor, similar to the ground floor. And its bath, you can see this is its bath. This is the other bath for this one, bath for this one. Okay, 4 bedrooms and 4 baths you can see. So these are its ventilation, and you can see on the top of this is the terrace design. You can see it is very beautiful. Also when I show you, so after 2 days I will upload its 3D animation to you people, then you will see clearly. So on the top of these 2 baths, you can see this is overhead water tank. You can see guys, this is overhead water tank, and you can see its ventilation system is proper. Okay, for everything you can see clearly guys. Okay, so you can make a screenshot from this if you need. Now let me discuss its front elevation for this because I did this in landscape, not in Portland, because this is in large size. So here guys, you can see, as I discussed in the starting, these are steps. Okay, sorry for call. Okay guys, you can see here, let me focus the camera. Okay, so you can see these 2 steps from this car porch, from this garage, and also from this side you can see. Okay, and these steps you can see. So this is for this basement. Okay, because this is its front elevation. And now guys, you can see the door, this one door, you can also see this one, because this is the window, this is also sorry, the door for these 2. Okay, on the top you can see this is the window. You can see this window, this one, look here, and this is this window. You can see here on the first floor you will find this is overhead water tank, as I told you in the start. Look here, this is overhead water tank. You can see overhead water tank is over there. So let me show you. You can see its window. This is the window, this one. Okay, and this one is the other window for this one. Okay, and also you can see these are the windows, and you can see the windows, everything here. So this is the proper design. So hope this video can help you. So if you need house planning, structure design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and the link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.